Have you ever watched a sports team, maybe your favorite one, just completely fall apart when the stakes are highest? They're dominating the entire game, and then, in the final minutes, everything goes wrong. Passes are missed, easy shots are fumbled, and the lead vanishes. They just collapse. It's frustrating to watch, but it's a fascinating psychological phenomenon. So, why do some teams choke under pressure while others thrive? It's not just about a lack of skill or physical fitness. More often than not, it's a mental game. One of the biggest culprits is something psychologists call paralysis by analysis. When a team is performing well, their actions are often automatic and intuitive, flowing from countless hours of practice. But when the pressure mounts, players start to overthink. They consciously try to control every little movement, a process that should be subconscious. Suddenly, that simple free throw or that routine pass becomes a complex biomechanical calculation. This overthinking disrupts their natural rhythm and leads to clumsy, hesitant mistakes. Another huge factor is the contagious nature of anxiety. In a team environment, emotions are like a virus. If one key player starts to show signs of panic, a rushed decision, a frustrated gesture, that anxiety can spread like wildfire. Teammates pick up on these subtle cues, and their own confidence starts to waver. Suddenly, the collective belief in their ability to win begins to crack. Communication breaks down, trust erodes, and what was once a cohesive unit becomes a group of isolated, anxious individuals. It's a domino effect of doubt. Then there's the fear of failure. The more important the game, the higher the perceived consequences of losing. Players start thinking about letting down their fans, their coach, their city. They're no longer playing to win, they're playing not to lose. This defensive mindset makes them tentative and risk-averse. They stop making the bold, creative plays that got them the lead in the first place and instead opt for safe choices that ultimately play right into their opponent's hands. The focus shifts from the process of playing well to the terrifying outcome of losing. So how do the great teams avoid this? It comes down to mental resilience, built through training and strong leadership. Elite teams practice under high-pressure scenarios, so when the real moment comes, it feels familiar. They have strong team chemistry and trust, meaning one player's mistake doesn't trigger a full-scale panic. They focus on the present moment, the next play, the next pass, not the final score. Their coaches and captains know how to manage the emotional temperature of the team, keeping everyone calm, focused, and believing in the plan. They reframe pressure not as a threat, but as an opportunity to shine. So the next time you see a team collapse, remember it's rarely about a sudden loss of talent. It's a mental battle, a complex interplay of overthinking, contagious anxiety, and the fear of failure. The teams that conquer their own minds are the ones who end up lifting the trophy. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, give this video a like and subscribe for more deep dives into the psychology of sports and performance. See you in the next one.